Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 249. This was the 6th of May 2023, a Saturday. So got beyond that 2 weeks. The 2 weeks from last 2 weeks have been just exhausting, educational but exhausting. Being on that insurance platform, I'm finally done with that. I did on Saturday. I had a doctor's appointment. I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs, and I had a meeting with Ricky Valdez. And I want to just give my gratitude out for Ricky Valdez for sticking with me and helping me with the I Am Academy business. So, very productive day. And then I took my family out to dinner. We went to a Mexican restaurant celebrating Cinco de Mayo a day later. If you try to go to a Mexican restaurant on actual Cinco de Mayo, it's too crowded. We did that before, and it's crazy. So doing it the day after is actually pretty cool. It's like back to normal, and so we still celebrated Cinco de Mayo and had a good Mexican meal, and got to spend quality time with the family. So that was it for day 249. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.